In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text in a blank slide in PowerPoint. Whether you're preparing for a business presentation or class project, knowing how to effectively add text to your slides will undoubtedly enhance your work and make your message clearer and more impactful. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. This software should be readily available if you've installed Microsoft Office. Once you've opened PowerPoint, navigate to the specific slide presentation that you'd like to work on. It's important to make sure you have the right presentation file, especially if you're working with multiple projects. Now that you're in your desired presentation, direct your attention to the top navigation pane. Look for the Insert tab, which is typically located towards the middle of the menu options. Clicking on this tab reveals a variety of options that allow you to insert different elements into your slide, such as images, shapes, and of course text. Within the Insert tab, find and click on the text box option. Choosing the text box will allow you to create an area on your slide specifically dedicated to text input. It's a versatile tool that will let you not only type out content, but also manipulate where and how it's displayed. Next, it's time to draw a square or rectangular area on your slide where you want your text to appear. Click and hold your mouse button to draw the text box. You can adjust the size and position as needed depending on where you aim to place your text and how much content you intend to include. Once you've got your text box set up, you can start typing inside it. Click within the box, and you'll notice a blinking cursor, which indicates that you're ready to begin inputting your text. This step is where you can let your creativity flow, choosing the content, adjusting the font, size, style, and alignment as you see fit. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully added text to a blank slide in PowerPoint. Remember, the key to a great presentation is clarity and conciseness, so take your time to organize your thoughts and ensure your message is clear. Not just limited to text, always feel free to explore other features and practice different methods of presenting your information for a truly dynamic slideshow. Thanks for watching this tutorial on adding text to a blank slide in PowerPoint. I hope you found it useful and that it helps you in creating more effective presentations. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using PowerPoint and other MS Office software. See you next time.